Hi, it's Hard Reset, and today I'll show you how to remotely optimize your computer with Bitdefender. So first, in your dashboard, go to My Devices, select the computer and click Optimize. Now free disk space, registry key, privacy data. So here detect and remove junk, temporary and cache files that are slowing down your device. So I'll just registry keys, okay, and send optimization command. Now the command was sent and will be processed soon. It takes a little time, so I'll be with you when it's all ready. And here we go, last optimization report 1 second ago. That's it, don't forget to leave a like and see you in the next one.